Step 1. Unfold the seat. Pull the wheelchair horizontally until it is fully extended. Then firmly press down on both sides of the seat cushion until the wheelchair is completely unfolded. Note: please ensure that the round tubes on both sides of the seat cushion are securely seated within their respective slots. Step 2. Unfold the backrest. Lift the backrest upward until the folding mechanism fully engages with the designated slots. Step 3. Install the controller. First, loosen the fixing screw. Then insert the controller and tighten the fixing screw. Step 4. Install the rear control. Simply plug the rear control unit's power cable into the port located at the bottom of the controller. Step 5. Install the seat cushion. Step 6. Install the pedals. First, align the LL or RM. Then align the holes and insert the pedal. Rotate the pedal inward until it can no longer move. Step 7. Install the legging strap. Step 8. Install the anti-tip wheels. Note: before use, you must ensure that both anti-tip wheels are properly installed. Otherwise, a safety risk may exist. Electromagnetic. Switch usage. Electric mode. D. Manual mode. N. Note: please ensure that both electromagnetic switch buttons are properly set. Control panel. Overview. Rear control operation. Battery installation and removal. Installation. Align the battery correctly. Then hook it into place until it is secured. Removal. Press and hold the black button. Then pull the battery outward to remove it. Charging. Charging method 1. Controller charging. Charging method 2. Whole vehicle charging. Charging method 3. Separate battery charging. How to fold. Turn off the battery switch. Toggle the electromagnetic switch button. Remove the footrest. Remove the seat cushion. Fold down the backrest. Fold down the seat base.